of convening having arrived, all members of this House will please report to their assigned seats. All members will report to their seats in the House of Representatives. Mr. Clerk, ring the bell. First reading of bills and resolutions. The clerk will read.
Bill 187 by Senator Tippins, the 37th, Miller, the 49th, Jackson, the 2nd, Walker, the 20th, Butler, the 55th. Bill be titled an act to amend Code Section 23, 519.2, the official code of Georgia annotated relating eligibility requirements for the Hope Scholarship.
Higher education.